Hi, just a short video to talk to you about this Sage, the Barista Espresso machine, model number BES870UK. This is faulty. It all powers on all okay. You put water in it, and when you go to press the coffee cup, there's no pressure whatsoever, no water comes out. So sold as faulty. So no water comes out of the espresso part, the hot water part, or the steam part. I have googled it, and it could be various things. It could be the water pump or the solenoid. This has been in storage for over a year, dry storage, so it could be the solenoid, but that is just hypothetical. Could be various other faults, I do not know. It is in good, clean condition. It comes with the 4 coffee inserts, the razor tool, the coffee grinder head dispenser. I'll show you around it quickly. Water may have watermarks still, drips of water. There will be coffee grinds because it is a used item. But all the buttons work, grinder works, grind wheel works. Just no pressure, no water equals no coffee. This will be taken off for easy transport as such, and if you follow the listing, I will try to find an online manual to show you how to put it back on. Coffee grinds, but once again, sold faulty. Please don't open a returns case saying it's faulty when I'm clearly telling you it's faulty. So once again, all powers up fine, just doesn't dispense any water at all. When you press either of the buttons, it just makes the noise of the motor running, but no water comes out. Any questions at all, please ask. Thank you.